Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Flexi Arm for Crevices on ROBOROCK Saros 10R. You very likely have some furniture that has crevices underneath, and to be able to go under them, you can enable the Flexi Arm for Crevices mode, which will extend the side brush outside of the robot's body, so it can actually go somewhere under the crevices under the furniture to make it clean better. And to do that, go to the settings, go to floor cleaning setting, and now find Flexi Arm Designed Extended Cleaning for Crevices. It's now in beta mode, so it may not work perfectly, but you can enable that. So it extends the flexible side brush to clean crevices below appliances and furniture. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.